welcome to the session of this mathematics questions related to competitive examinations. Now, here the first question they asked is 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Complete the series they asked. Here, complete the series, observe how you can solve. First, relations. What is the relation between the first number and the second number you have to identify? Second and the third and the fourth. Here, you have to observe it with a lot of concentration. Concentration and patience are the keywords for competitive examination. And speed with accuracy. Remember, speed with accuracy is the secret. Now, dears, observe. First number 4 is considered as 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So the next number will be 6 square, that is 36. Next one is 7 square, will be 49. Next is 8 square, will be a 64. So remember the first expected question in the competitive examinations is based on the relation between exponents and series. Remember, exponents and series, this is most common for all the competitive examinations, that is bank examinations or civil service examinations or NTSC examinations or any related competitive examination, probationary officers examination and everything. Right here, in the same way, the second one related is find the wrong term in the series. This also the question belongs to the lesson series. In that we go for arithmetic progression. Here observe the relation. Second and the first term we subtracted 8 minus 3 gives you 5. 15 minus 8 is 7. 24 minus 15 is 9. You have to identify the wrong term in this series. 34 minus 24 is 10 is giving. Next, 48 minus 34 gives you 14. Next gives you the 15. Means, observe the difference. First, how we have identified. The difference should be 11 and 13. Next, 597 is the, sorry, 579 came. Next should be the difference is 11. Next is 13. Next should be 15. Means first one is correct. Second is right. Third one is right. Here, fourth and the fifth are wrong options they have given. And next one is 15. So that this 34, it is considered as not belongs to this series according to our consideration. So what the rule we followed here, difference should be 11 and 13 instead of 10 and 14 here. Therefore, the option C is wrong option in this problem. Yes, welcome back here. In the following question, various terms of the letter series are given with one term missing as shown. Choose the missing term out of the options the question is given. And the question observe AZ, GT, MN, and next is blank, next last is YB. And four options given, option A, B, C, D. How you can get this? So first letters observe DS A to G, G to M, and M to next first one. Here A to G, what is our identification? 6 is added. G to M is 6 is added. So if you add 6 to M, then you are getting yes. In the same way, Z to T, next T to N, next N to next letter. So here what our identification 6 is subtracted. 6 is subtracted so that you are getting H here. Hence, your option is C, that is SH is your answer. Okay, so please remember this one.